Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing fine. So today we have got some spicy noodles and some chicken nuggets, just plain old chicken nuggets. I just done something quick. I wasn't going to do a video, but then I thought, you know what? I need to have a rant. I need your advice. I need your advices in me devices, if you get what I'm saying. And on top, and anyway on top, I put some seaweed, crispy seaweed, and some crispy onions. And I've got some strawberry milk. Aye. So, I need your advices in me devices. Got some coupe mayo. That's one thing I like about this bottle. It's so flexible. It's so flexible. So, advices. Oh, guys, seriously, I'm fed up. Oh, I'm fed up. So basically, what it is, good few months ago I had feelings for somebody. I decided to wipe it out. Wasn't interested anymore. Wasn't going to happen. It'll never happen. It'll never happen. It won't. But recently, these feelings have been coming back. And I don't like it. It's floppy now. Have a drink. I don't like it. I don't like that at the back. Because the last time that this happened to us, I became vulnerable. He made us vulnerable. So what do I do? What do I do? It's never going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. So why are these feelings coming back? And don't dare say they've never left, because they did. They left and they went. They vanished. They went. They did. I just can't understand why they come back. Oh. Like, where's it come from? Where has it come from? And why? And the reason why I ask this, or why I'm seeing this, is because I can't lie. Do you get what I'm saying? I can't lie. But the question is, do I like them? Or do I like... I do like them. I do like them. But there's nothing I can do about it. Quite literally. Nothing I can do about it, and I would never do anything about it. And I would never tell him. Ever. So why am I this bothered? Do you know what I mean? Not as if he's gone now. Is it? So what would you do? Why am I asking you that? Nothing's going to happen. I didn't ask you that, right? Because nothing's going to happen. I've made that abundantly clear. I have. But, coming. But and anyway, so like I was saying, I can't lie. And you can always tell if I'm lying. You can. Till you hit the back of my foot. So, whenever I lie, I always laugh. I do. It's weird. So if I was lying, I would be laughing. Know what I mean? So how can you tell? How do you know when you're lying? To when you're not telling the truth? Because obviously once I tell the truth, that's it. I ain't laughing. But if you ask us a question and I start laughing when it's answering, then you can. So yeah. I also laugh when I'm in a nervous situation as well. Or if it's a serious situation. Then or an awkward situation. Can't help it. Oh. But yeah, it's like, how do you... I'm not going to think about it. That's what we're going to do. We're not going to think about it. No flinking, no flinking. No faking, no blinking. Nope, nope, nope. It's like the day. No, no, no. I just went and do it. No. Absolutely not. Nah. No. I don't know what to do. I bet so. I'm going to start ignoring them. It's the best thing to do. Start ignoring them and get rid of the feelings again. I've done it before, I can do it again. Do it before, do it again. You've got the power to do it. Yes, we have. It's just certain things that he does that it bugs us. And I can't figure it out. And I can't ask him why. Do you know what I mean? That didn't even touch the sides because I was that hungry. But I'm not going to talk about it anymore. Nah, nothing new. Nope. It's out of sight, out of mind. Anything easy, but I'm going to ignore him. I've got the weekend off. I have. I've managed to bag the weekend off. Because originally, the holidays had been rejected for like this weekend. And then I rang up this morning, I went, is there any chance? Is there any chance I can put my holiday back in? He went, aye. So holiday went straight back in. Got the whole weekend off. Love it. Love it. And I'm not going to think about it. Not going to think about it. Nah, I'm going to enjoy my weekend off. I am. It's going to be a nice weekend as well, so bonus, bonus. Bonus, bonus. Bonus, bonus. Bonus, bonus. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm never going to think about it again. I'm not going to speak about it again. Not going to happen. No, 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 no. Thank you for the advice in the future. Yeah, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.